In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you where you can locate text correction options. Text correction options on this Sony offer a lot of helpful features like autocorrection or spell check. The only problem is they are quite difficult to find, so I will show you how to do that step by step. First is opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System, then click on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard. Now you can finally tap on text correction and try all of those options by clicking on the switches next to the chosen ones. If you want to access text correction settings much faster in the future, I can show you how to do that real quick. Firstly, swipe up to use a gray switcher next to Show Suggestion strip. When your switcher is blue, you can close devices settings and launch your keyboard instead. Then click on gear icon at the top of it